Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Akko CS Wine Red switches that were sent over to me by Akko themselves for my honest review. Now these come in a pack of 45 switches for $20.99 on Amazon and go for $16.99 on Akko's website. Now the main difference between the two is Amazon obviously has faster shipping and the shipping is included with the price. And Akko's shipping usually takes like 2 to 3 weeks and the shipping is accounted for after the fact. So technically they will come out to be around the same price, but I'd obviously buy them from Amazon if you do have that Prime shipping. Now, these are hand lubed and there is no dry or stock variant of these switches. They only come factory lubed. So if you wanted to lube them yourselves, I don't really recommend getting them because it'll take a long time to clean them off and then re-lube them yourself. Now these are a linear switch with a force of 43 grams and it does have a progressive spring, so that's why you see the plus minus symbol with the 5, and that just means the longer you press the heavier it'll get. Now when it comes to the total travel distance, it has a total travel distance of 4 millimeters and a pre-travel distance of 1.9, and there you go again with the plus or minus symbol because it has a progressive spring of 0.3 millimeters. Now this is a 3-pin switch, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding a keyboard that'll support it, and I don't think it has a long pull stem, so you might have interference on north facing boards for cherry profile keycaps, so that is something to keep in mind. Now this is a lighter linear switch, and according to Akko themselves, this leans towards the deeper tones or the thockier side of things, and in my configuration it kind of did, but it kind of didn't. Obviously it depends on what board you are putting these switches in and what plate you're using, but I definitely recommend using these switches on a palm plate. I think the sound signature that the palm plate gives the switches and the switch itself go really hand in hand, so that is my recommended plate for this switch. Now they do have glitter inside the top housing, which is very cool, and the stem and bottom housing are a purplish red color that look really nice. Here's a quick sound test so you guys can hear how it sounds. I'm really satisfied with this switch. It sounds nice, it feels very nice, the lubing is very consistent, no switch is over lubed or under lubed. Akko does a really good job with the lubing of their switches, and this switch is no different from the other ones that I reviewed. There is no spring ping, there is nothing that would make this switch annoying. Overall, I would definitely recommend this switch to people that are looking at a light linear switch that you don't have to really do anything to. You can just pop into your board. Let me know what you guys think about the switch in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.